Hi everybody, today I'm doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing and I just picked this up from the store yesterday. My CA put in a bunch of, well, not really a bunch, she put in a few perfume samples in there, and this is my receipt. This is not really a true unboxing because I did just film a reels for it, but nonetheless came in the ribbon. And my ribbon doesn't have a year on it, it just says Louis Vuitton in the gold letters and the blue. And this box is actually pretty deceiving because it's not this big. Okay, any guesses based on the size to reveal? Ta-da! This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis East West in the bicolor gray colorway, and I asked for stuffing just in case I want to stuff it after use. And here is the SKU number if you guys are interested. Screenshot that and send it to your CA. Comes with the chain strap as well as the thin crossbody adjustable with the snap button straps. On the interior, it's this microfiber, I think it's suede, I think it's microfiber lining. And it has this slip pocket in the back as well as this bigger compartment, the zipper compartment, and then this front flap compartment. Put the straps down. Usually in the zippers, that's where I keep all of the tags like this, and I keep them all in the bag, just like my Chanel authenticity cards. I'm having a brain fart. On the sides, you can see that it's an accordion style, and it has the two D-rings to put the chain strap and the crossbody strap. However, you don't need to utilize that. In the back, you have the back zip pocket, and it does not, I don't think, fit a phone. This is a 15 Pro. Let me take the pop socket out and let's try. Oh, I guess you could fit it. This is a 15 Pro. You could fit it, and no, I don't think you can zip it. Maybe without the case. Let's try. Yes, without the case, a 15 Pro will fit, as well as a 14 Pro, because I believe those are the same sizes. I'm not sure about the 13 though. This is the bag. It's so cute. I love it. So this is brand new. I took out this chain sticker myself last night when I made the purchase. I was the first person to take this off. So I put this part on the bottom hook like that. And then with this chain, I will actually hook it on to this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on depending on the length, because I just want it to lay like that, just ever so gracefully. And then I put that on, and then I hook it on the top. So just like that. And then you can see it shortens it, and then you can throw in this chain inside and hook your keys or whatever you want to hook on there. And then it makes it so much cuter because it looks more dainty. And let me put this strap on the top. And it looks like that. Let me show you guys some mod shots. Okay. For height reference, I am 5 feet-ish, and this is the bag with the chain and the shortest length, which is shoulder. And I'm a size 16, 14, depending on the brand. This is how it looks. It's so cute. And the shoulder bag trend is very in right now. I just love that chain detailing, and it's a sizable chain. To adjust it, you just unsnap these snaps right here. And then the second adjustment is, where are you? Like so. And this is the crossbody. And this is my preferred way of wearing it. It's just more casual, keeps your hands free, and you don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding off your body as you're wearing it. And then I think you can make it even longer by, oh, I guess just by unsnapping the whole thing and just wear it like that. This is too long for me and my liking because it's already like on my hip level. But if you are taller and you like longer crossbodies, this would definitely look super cute still. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please follow me on all my social medias. I'll link them down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.